Hey guys, it's Thursday and as what you have noticed, nasa workplace na ako. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog during my preparation kasi nga, as usual, late na naman ako. So, anyway guys, for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales. And aside from that guys, we will also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales. So, obviously, hindi pa naman tayo busy today kasi nga, wala pa din tayong deliveries. So, naka-hold pa din yung stocks natin from Pandacan. So, na-hold siya kasi nga nag-resign yung third party sa patron. So, obviously, kailangan nilang i-update lahat ng SO. So, yun yung reason kung bakit hindi pa rin tayo makapick up sa Pandacan. So, anyway guys, that would be my agenda for today. And actually, wala naman tayong ibang ganap today. And work, bahay lang din tayo. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and nag-work lang muna ako. So, anyway guys, dumating na din pala yung parcel ko. So, samahan nyo ako mamaya guys na mag-unboxing after work. So far, wala naman tayong ibang ganap today kasi after work, diretso lang din tayo sa bahay. So, mag-unboxing lang tayo today guys. So, anyway guys, nandito na pala ako sa bahay. And samahan nyo ako guys na mag-unboxing. So, let's go guys! So, anyway guys, yung in-order ko nga pala is storage basket. So, sobrang ganda nito guys. And then, sulit na din yung presyo niya kasi sobrang elastic. So far, hindi siya madaling masira. So, sobrang ganda and sobrang aesthetic tingnan. So, as what you have noticed, tatlo yung binili ko na maliliit. And then, tatlo din yung malalaki. So, sobrang sulit na din. So, anyway guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!